Hey guys, Toby Oguntel here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be learning how to save images as JPEG format in Photoshop. So I'm going to be using Photoshop CC, but every step here is applicable to earlier versions of Photoshop. Now when using Photoshop, there are few ways to save your final images. For users constrained by file size, you may want to explore the save features under File, Export and save for web. But for most people, you simply go to File, Save As in order to save your images in Photoshop. Now, so when you click on that, a dialog box will appear, and here you can choose where to save the file. You can give it a name, so let's call it tutorial 1. So by default the format is set to PSD, which is Photoshop document itself. Now I recommend you also save as PSD as well as your final format, so that you still have your layers and changes made within Photoshop. So in this dialog, in this drop down, you will also see the standard images format such as JPEGs, PNGs for transparent image, TIFFs, bitmaps and more. So for this video we'll be saving as JPEG. Now we hit on save. So we can adjust the image quality. Okay, we can adjust the image quality in order to adjust the file size of the overall file. So in my case, I'm just gonna leave it at maximum quality, which is 12, and I'll set it at maximum, and I'm gonna click OK. Alright, so that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy the video, consider subscribe channel. Then don't forget to like this video, share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's caught in the crossfire.